This Coldwell Banker Associated Brokers Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Julie Skaff-Gregg. Wonderful project home with tons of character ready to be discovered. The foyer is beautiful with natural woodwork, open staircase, pocket door and French doors. The living room has tall ceiling with a fabulous chandelier, large period mop boards, picture rail and decorative fireplace. Separate formal dining room with closet. Kitchen has built-in over and countertop stove top and wood cabinets. There is a second set of steps to the second level through the kitchen and half bath off back hallway for convenience. There are 3 bedrooms up with 2 of them being very spacious. Master bedroom offers a dressing area and closet. Basement has a finished family room down and access to the double garage. The home has open front porch and back deck that walks onto a large patio. The exterior is aluminum siding, roof shingles installed 2016, new gutter 2020, new central air approximately 3 years ago, deck rebuilt 2015, water heater new 2013. For more information.